Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to look at one of my portulacaria afra trees. This one is a fairly new tree for me. It was part of the Home Depot or big box store finds video I did a little while ago. Where I think it was, I can't remember if it was a Lowe's or Home Depot, but they had some nice size portulacarias growing in like a 2 or 3 gallon nursery container. And this was one that I got from that bunch. And just kind of let it grow for a year or so. And then I started to put it in the training pot and kind of started developing it. So that's where we're at today. So just going to give it a little prune, kind of see where it's at and see where we want to take it. Just giving it a look over here. One thing I am noticing, which I'll have to look and see what I want to do. This branch here, it's growing straight up for one, and then it's almost going back towards the kind of the main line of the tree, and that's really distracting. But if I cut that out, I'm going to lose this piece and this piece. But it's always going to be growing wrong direction if I don't take it out. So I think we'll do that to start with. So we'll go ahead, and I think these scissors might be able to get through it. I'd have to get my pruners, but that'll work. So we could root that if we wanted to and start a new tree, but I probably have enough already, so we won't be doing that. Not really sure what I want the front of this tree to be. I'm thinking this is the front. So let's go ahead and cut some of these back, just let's see what we're left with here. This is kind of, if you've been watching my videos, the portulacaria that I call my big guy. I'll see if I can show you a little picture of it up here. But this one's kind of has the look of that one when it was younger. I just kind of slanted it in a pot, let it grow, and kept training it. And then over the years, it really developed into a pretty nice tree. So this one kind of looks like that one did when it was. So if I end up with something like that, I'll be pretty happy. But it takes time for that to happen. But in bonsai years, I guess it's not a whole lot of time, because you can develop a portulacaria into a really nice tree just in 5, 6, 7 years, which depends on your perspective. That may seem like a long time, but that's pretty quick to get a tree from a nursery stock cutting to a really nice tree. Yeah, I kind of like the angled and triangle shape. I like the way it's looking. And I think over the next couple years, this will be really nice. Just stay up on the pruning, and I got some area in here I need to fill in, but I have some candidates. This branch here is growing. I'll probably not cut on that and just let that grow out to thicken it up. But that'll fill in that area. But from the front view, it looks pretty good. So that's how we'll look at it. Until that center part decides to catch up. But the bones are there. I think we can get this into a really nice tree. don't really see a whole lot else that needs done. The main thing was getting that big branch out of the way. Yeah, I think that let's let these guys go over here. Just may eventually have to wire those up just to kind of keep it more horizontal like that. But we'll just let those grow for now. Not gonna worry about wiring it. Let it thicken up. And then this will probably end up going, I'm thinking, since it's growing kind of straight out towards the front. Yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it. Yep. Yeah, that works. That way you can see the trunk line, and I'm going to leave this guy down here just to help thicken up the base, but I do have a little bit of a flare going on, so that's good. But we'll let that guy grow and thicken that base up. Yeah. Nice short video today, but it just this guy needed a quick maintenance prune, so I thought I'd share it with you guys, make a video of it. So go ahead and give you a quick spin around here. There's the front, there's the left side, there's the back, right side, and back to the front. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.